Hello again. In this problem, we're going to try and get only one number after the decimal point. Okay? So in this case, again, we have to work with groups of 2. Okay? So we have that one number that comes close to 2 without going over will be 1 times 1, which is 1. This subtraction will give me 1 here, and then I bring down in groups of 2. So that'll be the 45 comes down completely. The set of 2. So now I have a remainder of 145. I suppose then to use this number and double it and find a number that when I multiply it by itself, it will come close without going over a 145. Okay? If I use 24 times 4, 16, 8, 9, it's kind of low. Let's try with 5, 25 times 5, 25, 10, 12, 125. If I try to do it 26, it will probably just go too high. 6, 36, 12, 15. As you can see, it goes over. So I'm going to try then and keep 5. Let's erase here. Clean it out a little bit. So 5 is the one that works for us in this problem. Let's continue then. Now 25 times 5, 5, carry 2, 10, 12. Yeah, so we make subtraction here, and now we have the second set of numbers, the second number, which was 5. I do not have any more numbers to bring down, so that allows me to use a decimal point. This decimal point now allows me to add a set of 2 zeros, as we mentioned before. Now I have to double this original number so I can continue. The double of 15 will be 30. And now I need a number that when I multiply it at the end times itself, it will help me get a number that will come close to 2,000 without going over. What number would that be? Let's try to see. If I cover the last 2 numbers on both sides, I will end up with 3 and 20. I know from the table of 3 that the one that comes closer will be 7, but 7 will give me a 2,100, which will go over. So I'm going to stick to the table of 6 in that case. I'm going to use 6 because 7 goes over. So 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 3, 18. You see? And this number is under 2,000, so it works perfectly. Okay? I make my subtraction. 4, 6, and then we have that this is, then we have a 1 here. Okay? 164 as our reminder, but we already got the first decimal number. And here we're only using until 1 decimal number, but we could easily continue by adding another set and then just doubling this number in another row. Okay, so the answer for this problem will be 15.6. Thank you for your attention.